How to add Registry Editor to the control panel in Windows. The Windows Registry is at the core of your operating system. It stores configurations for hardware, software, users, and apps. If you're an IT professional or a power user, you may want faster access to this tool. One way to do that is by adding the Registry Editor directly to the control panel. This gives you a centralized hub for system management without relying on extra software. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Manual setup. First, a quick reminder. Always back up the registry before making changes. Mistakes can affect the entire system. There are two ways to add the Registry Editor to the control panel. The first is a manual method using Registry Editor itself. Start by creating a VBS CRIPT that launches regedit with an administrator rights. Open Notepad as an administrator, paste the script, and save it as launch-regedit.vbs in C:\Windows. This step is critical as placing the script elsewhere won't work. Next, create a new CLSID key under HKEY_classes_root. Assign values to name it Registry Editor, add an info tip, set a category, and define its icon. Then build the launch command, pointing it to the VBS CRIPT you created. Finally, add the shortcut into the control panel's namespace key. When you open Control Panel with Icons view, you'll now see Registry Editor listed as an option. Method 2. Using a .reg file. The second method is quicker. Create a .reg file that contains all the necessary keys. Once saved, simply merge the file, confirm the prompts, and the shortcut will appear instantly. This method is easier for repeat deployments or sharing with other users. Removal steps. If you decide you no longer want Registry Editor in the control panel, you can remove it just as easily. Delete the namespace key or run a removal.reg file to restore your system. Why this matters. Adding the Registry Editor to the control panel is safe, lightweight, and practical. It gives IT administrators and power users centralized access while keeping workflows efficient. For more information, check out our official blog post on adding Registry Editor to the control panel, linked in the description below.